So today we're going to be making this amazing lamb stew. Stay with us. So we started with the lamb, obviously first. I guess typically how you would do any stew, kind of how I did the last beef stew. So I seasoned up some flour, just salt and pepper. Rolled the meat in it, fried it off in this pan to brown them up. Took these out and then made this brown gravy. So I added a little bit more flour to the pan when I did that to try to thicken it up a little bit. I deglazed the pan with beer, added beef broth, just a little bit, and a bay leaf, and that was it. So that's what we have there. Nice rich brown gravy from the looks of it. So it's going to go for our stew. And then we have all these other wonderful ingredients that we're going to put in as well. So for this stew, we're going to use the bake kettle or the Dutch oven, if you will. So I already put the sauce in there from the cast iron pan. Get that over there to clean up. So we're going to add our lamb now. Back to that. Throw our potatoes in next. So here, like, these colors look pretty awesome. Carrot, celery, so one whole celery stick, one large carrot, 2 shallots, 4 decent sized mushrooms, and then just a handful of these cherry tomatoes. I'm going to wait on the tomatoes and the mushrooms, but everything else is going to go in there. That's it. Chef perks. And, you know, with any stew, that's going to go at least a couple hours more. In there, we'll get some coals on top and check it in an hour and a half or so. Alright, so we've gone quite a bit less on time than I mentioned. Because I didn't use the coals this time, I actually set the pot right on top of the wood in the fire. I just re-stoked it now, but so it's still been an hour and 10 minutes. Let's check it out. Oh yeah. Serve some of this up. good. Smells good as usual. Still like mushroom. It's nice. I didn't add a ton of seasoning to this stew, honestly. Salt and pepper, really. I could probably use a little bit more right now, but that's pretty damn good. No fancy, thyme. I didn't add any of that. Rosemary goes excellent with lamb. I didn't add that. I kind of wanted to keep it plain on purpose. That was just the salt and pepper, but that is excellent. Wow. A little ale to go with it. Yeah. There's a sniffer. I know, dude. You ain't gonna tell me. So, thank you guys for watching. We'll catch you on the next one.